In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add cinematic black bars in Adobe Premiere Pro. Start by opening the Project panel. Click the New Layer icon in the bottom right corner of the panel. Choose Adjustment Layer. Click OK. Drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline. Make sure it is on a track above all of your video layers. Drag the clip out so it covers the entire video. Go to the Effects panel. If you don't see it, then go to Window and enable the Effects option. Search for Crop. Drag the crop effect onto your adjustment layer. Head to the Effect Controls and you will see the crop options. Here you will see 4 options. For cinematic black bars, you will want to increase the top and bottom percentages. You can change the values by clicking on them and entering a new value. You can also click and drag on the values to change them. Moving to the right will increase the value, and moving to the left will decrease the value. Make sure the values for the top and bottom are the same. Your video will now have cinematic black bars in Premiere Pro.